March 1962, an explosion killed two teenage boys and injured a third boy, a Wolmer student. He was admitted in serious condition with a severed left foot at the College University Hospital, now known as the UA Hospital. The tragic incident occurred in the dry riverbed of the Hope River at Harbour. The father of one of the dead boys said that they attended a function at a church located across the dry riverbed. On their return trip after the function to their houses on Windy Way, Neptune Avenue, and Martella Drive, it appeared they found a bomb. It was later confirmed by a congregation member of Harborview Gospel Church that the boys had attended a prize-giving rehearsal before the incident occurred. The explosion was heard and felt by many residents since it rocked all houses in the area, and the impact reached as far as a quarter-mile away. An Army demolition expert confirmed the explosion was caused by a mortar that was last fired 10 years ago. It was determined that the boys accidentally detonated the 3-inch mortar shell. Sappers and police thoroughly searched the dry riverbed and found a second mortar shell that was 2 inches in size. It was also learned that the open lot around Fort Nugent was used as an Army firing range for similar bombs and other kinds of weapons. At the time of the incident, the land was owned by West Indies home contractors. Mr. Owen Matalon said there was not much the company could do to avoid repetition of the incident. He added that the area was fenced off from the residential community, but that did not stop children from getting onto the property. He also remarked that looking for more shells would be like looking for a needle in a haystack. It is not known if there was a request by the police for the Minister of Home Affairs to order an inquiry into this tragedy.